Hello guys, this is Bhavana and I'm very close friend of Utkarsha, and today I'm going to make poha with minimum ingredients and basic ingredients which are available in our home. So let's get started. See guys, this is the cup I am using for measuring the things which are used in poha. So let's get started. Guys, see this. I took 4 cups of these atukulu. We'll call them atukulu in Telugu. So what we are going to do is, we just no need to marinate them in water or anything. We should just wash them with water and drain them so that this becomes soft. And you should make that process very fast because it shouldn't get more transparent and soft, then your poha will not come as your wish. So let's do that. Here we go. See, I have washed them properly 2 times so that if there is any germs or any dust is present in this poha, they should be get out of this. And see how soft they became, and this is ready for starting our process. So let's get into our process. On the stove and put the pan. So now pour some oil into your pan. This much is enough, and so just let it get preheated. Our oil is preheated, and now what we need to do is now we need to put some groundnuts into this oil, and then after I took more groundnuts. I prefer more groundnuts because I love groundnuts, and I also prefer some cashews into it so that our poha looks more beautiful and more tasty. And then after we need to fry them slightly. So fry until the color changes. And now I added some mustard and cumin seeds into it. Now we are going to add some dry red chilies into our poha, and these will give nice taste and aroma too. So let's fry for some more time, and you can observe the color of cashews getting changed. Now we have added some green chilies and curry leaves. Yeah, and it's looking very colorful. And what we need to do is, we need to add a bit of turmeric so that it gives nice color to our poha. And let's add, so this much amount is enough, and just sprinkle on these vegetables. Add these atukulu in this fried substance, and now we need to mix it very well. So let's mix it. Guys, I have added some salt and mixed it very well, and see how yummy it looks. And so now it's completed. So that what we need to do is, we need to switch off the stove, squeeze the lemon juice from 2 lemons, 1.5 or 2, and now I'm going to add this lemon juice to our poha. Guys, after adding our lime juice, we need to mix it very well. And after mixing it completely, and this is the texture of our poha, and it's look very yummy. And we need to take this into a serving plate. Guys, here is our poha, and it got ready, and it's very yummy. I have tasted it, trust me. You also must try recipe, and it's very easy and simple. Especially poha is very famous in our South India, and it's a South Indian simple breakfast. You can also make it as breakfast and also like snacks. So must try guys, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.